Hello students, I am Aarti Sharan. Today I am going to deal with the summary of chapter 3, The Little Girl of Beehive. This is written by Catherine Mansfield. So before starting the chapter, let's know something about Catherine Mansfield, that she was a prominent New Zealand modernist short story writer and poet. She was born and brought up in the colonial New Zealand and wrote under the pen name of Catherine Mansfield. She was born on 14th October 1888 and died on 9th January 1923. She has written this story, Little Girl, to show the relationship of children with the parents. The Little Girl by Catherine Mansfield is a story of a little girl, Kezia, who, on account of little understanding about her father, usually remained scared of him. The theme of the story is the relationship between children and their parents, and the writer Catherine Mansfield wants to tell us that children share a very important bond of love with their parents. Although when children are small, when they are young, they do not feel that they love means parent love them, because at that time the parents are strict and many actions of the parents seem unjustified. But as children grow up, they realize that all acts done by their parents were beneficial for them. Their parents were concerned for them, and beneath the strictness lies a heart full of love for their children. And this bond of love between parents and the children has been highlighted in this story or through this story. In this story, a little girl, Kezia, misunderstood her father's strictness and usually remained scared of him. She kept a distance from him whenever he would be at home. She considered him to be as big as a giant. She would often get nervous and stutter while talking to him. She longed for his love and affection like her neighbor Mr. MacDonald. Then, once she was kept indoors as she was affected by cold, her grandmother suggested that she should make a gift for her father's birthday, which was going to be held next week. So she decided to make a pincushion for him. And Kezia made a beautiful pincushion, but accidentally made a mistake also. She filled it with bits of paper that she got by tearing her father's important speech, and she was punished for that. And this incident further estranged Kezia from her father. And she would often look at the neighbors, the McDonalds, playing joyously in their lawn. Actually, Mr. MacDonald was a very good father and played lovingly with his children, and she wondered he might be a different sort of father. One day or once her mother fell ill and was hospitalized, and she was left Kezia was left alone at home under the care of the cook. At night, she had a nightmare and woke up screaming. She found her father standing by her bedside. He picked her up and took her to his own room. Kezia felt secure lying near her father, and she realized that her father was not as big as a giant. She felt the beating of her father's loving large heart. And finally, she realized that her father was very loving and had a generous heart. So, this is the summary of the story. Now, in the next video, I'll discuss the question answers. Thank you.